Hey, what's up you guys? My name is Emily, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make 3 Christmas room decoration ideas. In the comments down below, let me know which DIY is your favorite, and subscribe to see more DIYs. Let's get on with the video. The first DIY I'm going to show you how to make is this fabric garland. You want to take more than one color of fabric and cut 10 by 1 inch strips, or you can cut them longer or wider, and you can cut as many strips of fabric as you want. The more you cut, the longer your garland will be. For my garland, I use green, white, and red fabric with snowflakes on it, but you can use any color that you want. After you're done cutting your strips, you want to fold all of them in half, and you want to lay out each strip of fabric in the order you want them to be on your garland. Then you want to lay out a piece of twine, and you want to lay something heavy on both ends of the twine, so the twine doesn't move while you're putting the strips of fabric on the twine. Then you could take a strip of fabric and place it under the twine. Then you want to pull the 2 ends through the loop. You want to continue these steps for the rest of the fabric. After you get all of your fabric on the twine, you can flip the garland over. Then you can move the fabric around and add more fabric if you need to. Once you like how it looks, you can hang it anywhere you would like on a shelf or on a wall, and you're all done. The next DIY I'm going to show you how to make is this easy Christmas bowl centerpiece. All you have to do is to take some battery string lights and some bows, and you want to place them in any shape, bowl or a vase. You can put the battery part of the string lights behind the bowl so you can't see it. Once you like how the bows and the lights look, you're all done. The last DIY I'm going to show you how to make is this reindeer embroidery hoop art. The first thing you want to do is that you want to put a piece of any color of fabric into an embroidery hoop that's any size. If you put a large piece of fabric in the hoop like I did, you want to cut around the embroidery hoop, but you want to leave some extra fabric around the hoop, because you're going to cut off more later, and it doesn't have to be perfect. After you're done cutting the fabric, you want to print or draw and cut out a reindeer template out of paper. Then you want to place a reindeer on the fabric, and you want to mark where you want the reindeer to be. Then you can take the fabric out of the embroidery hoop, and you want to trace the reindeer onto the fabric. If you're using a dark colored fabric, you can use a white colored pencil to make the reindeer. After you're done tracing the reindeer, you can place a piece of paper under the fabric, and then you can paint in the reindeer with white acrylic paint or another color. While painting, I started to realize the white paint was starting to turn pink, and I think it had to do with the dye in the fabric. So if this happens to you, you can paint it again after the paint dries the first time. After the paint is dry, you can put the fabric back in the embroidery hoop, and you also want to tighten the hoop. Then you can flip the hoop over and cut off the extra fabric. Now you want to take a piece of ribbon, and you want to tie a loop on the place where you tighten the hoop. This is how it will hang on a wall. Then you want to tie a bow of any color of ribbon, and then you want to glue it anywhere on the hoop with hot glue. If you want, you can glue a jewel on the bow, and then you're all done. Once you like how it looks, you can hang it anywhere you would like. And that's how you make these Christmas room decoration ideas. In the comments down below, let me know which DIY is your favorite. And if you like this video, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to see more DIYs. I will see you in the next video. Bye!